I don't like when people are like,
oh, I don't want to go natural because I don't know what to do, blah, 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 blah.
Charm is deceptive and beauty does not last, but a woman who fears the Lord will be greatly praised. Proverbs 31:30.
what's up, you guys? It is your girl Dominique, and I am here with another video. So as you can see by the title, this is pretty much going to be your most basic twist out ever. No extra products. You only need three, I believe it was 3 or 4 products that I actually used to achieve my twist out here. So this is pretty much it. I don't like when people are like,
oh, I don't want to go natural because I don't know what to do, blah, blah, blah.
so this is like the most basic thing that you can do with your natural hair is a twist out. Simple, easy. It gives you that defined curl. And I have 4C hair, so I know I feel your pain, sis. Like my hair is is coarse, is nappy, it's a lot of these things, but doing a twist out will make it manageable for future styles. And it's also a basic, easy style that you can use to define your hair and be able to wear your natural hair. So if you guys are interested in the video, of course, keep watching and be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace out.
All right, guys, so we're pretty much going to be starting on freshly washed hair. And I am going to be using my Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. I'm also going to be using my coconut oil. It's in solid form right now. And I'm going to be using olive oil to coat and contain my strands. So basically what I'm going to do right now, I'm pretty much just re-wetting my hair because it did dry a little bit. I don't have a spray bottle right now, so that's what we're doing. Then I'm going to part my hair into sections to start to apply the product. Y'all, this is so key to part your hair in sections. I mean, you cannot try to work on natural hair, especially if you have a lot, and just kind of take the head as a whole. You want to make sure to work in sections because this is going to help you a lot, especially if you are just, not that type of person that likes to spend a whole lot of time doing their hair. Working in sections will help to cut your time down. So once we get done parting our hair into sections, I'm going to begin to apply the product. I'm going to use a generous amount, y'all. We not using no dime size amounts over here. I'm going to coat my hair and my strands with a generous amount of the product. Then I'm going to go in and seal that product with my olive oil. I do detangle a little bit during this particular process in sections, even though I do detangle once I wash my hair with conditioner. So again, I'm going to take the olive oil and I'm going to be sealing my ends with that to make sure that that coconut cream product, styling product, is sealed into my strands. Then I'm going to begin to twist my hair. So what I'm going to be doing is pretty much your basic 2-strand twist. I'm going to take some of that coconut oil, and I like to put it on each twist individually that I'm doing, or each section. Once I do my big sections, I put it on the little sections. So I'm going to take a piece of that hair and I'm going to begin twisting it. I do like to comb through my ends just to make sure that they are smooth with me twisting. And then I will take that twist and curl it around my fingers to make sure that it is locked and that the ends are curled as well. So then I'm pretty much going to do that all around my head. I've done that back section, so now I'm starting on a new section just to maybe kind of give you guys a closer look. Again, I'm going to take that product and coat my hair or that section fully with that product. And I'm going to take the olive oil and seal my strands with that olive oil to seal that product in. Once that's done, I'm going to take a section or a piece of my hair and I'm going to begin twisting my hair. I do apply, I detangle and then apply the coconut oil to the smaller piece that I've taken out. And then I'm going to just pretty much 2-strand twist that hair. If you don't know how to 2-strand twist, I'm sure there are plenty of tutorials around YouTube that will show you how to do a 2-strand twist. I'm not really sure how to explain it other than just twisting your hair. But once you do that, again, I'm going to take the ends of that twist and twist it around my fingers. And I'm pretty much just going to continue to do this process around my whole head. Y'all, I just want to reiterate about working in sections. When I first went natural, I definitely tried to just kind of work around my head, just kind of doing it anywhere. But working in sections has changed my life. It cuts down on the time that I spend trying to do my hair, and it just really works wonders when you are trying to twist your hair or do any type of style on your hair. Working in sections is key for natural hair. All right, y'all, so once you get done twisting all of your hair, I pretty much like to go on about my day. I will usually do this on a day that I'm off and I don't have anything to do, so I can just wear it like this and let it air dry. Or you can tie it up, wear a scarf, wear a turban until the next day. So this is the next day. I'm pretty much just going to take some olive oil and coat my hands with that. I want to make sure that my hands are coated with oil because I don't want to strip my hair of oil as I'm doing this. So I'm pretty much just going to put that olive oil all through my hair, all through my twist. Then I'm going to take some more oil and begin to do my takedown. Now, as I'm doing my takedown, I'm just pretty much going to find where the twist naturally splits, and I'm just simply going to pull it apart. I'm not going to do too much teasing, too much pulling, too much sectioning off because I want my curls to stay as defined as possible as I'm doing my twist out and as the week goes on. The less manipulation of your hair, the longer your curls can stay defined. So once I get done taking down those twists, I'm pretty much just going to run the oil through my scalp, pretty much massage my scalp with that oil. As you can see, I pretty much I used to just leave it like this, to be honest. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the comb and we're just gonna tease it just a little bit at the roots to give it a little bit of height, because I did actually wear my hair out to an event, so I kind of wanted to actually style it a little bit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take a few bobby pins and pretty much place them in my hair to make my hair or shape my hair the way that I want it to look. And y'all, it really just takes a lot of playing around and kind of getting to know your hair. So just play around with the shape however you want your afro to look, your twist out to look, and place the bobby pins where you see fit. Once I figure out the shape that I want my hair, I'm going to finish off my style with my edge control. I use the Murray's Beeswax edge control. That's literally the only thing that works for my hair because it's so thick, y'all. My hair will not lay all the time. So if y'all have a better suggestion, leave it in the comments. What edge control works for your 4C hair? Let me know and I will give it a try. But anyways, I'm just going to pretty much style my edges the way that I want them to look. Again, it takes some playing around. So play around with it, see how you want it, and do what works for you. So I just want to go back and say, because I know in the beginning I said that I don't like when people say that they don't want to go natural because they don't know what to do with their hair. And I understand that that is an actual dilemma in the natural community because we don't know what to do with our natural hair. But sis, all you have to do is try. Like, y'all not even trying. Just try. Play with it, play with different styles, get on YouTube and watch these girls who have natural hair. They have millions of styles that you can do with any length of hair, any type of hair, whether you have 3A to 4C, I'm sure you can find it on YouTube. All you got to do is look. Trial and error is key. So after I do my edges, I'm just gonna lay them by tying a scarf around it. And that's pretty much it. You have your final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for stopping by. Love y'all. Mwah.